Best hotel, outstanding in all levels. Vacation, we really enjoyed our stay at the hotel, new facilities and excellent location. Lovely hotel. Very beautiful hotel, amazing breakfast, lovely room and very attentive and friendly staff, especially George, who greeted us and helped us to our room. We were located in the middle of everything and I hope to be back in the future. Amazing hotel. Amazing location and amazing hotel. We had the package with spa and lounge included, best decision ever. I highly recommend this hotel. Lovely stay, highly recommended. My sister and I had a lovely stay at Hotel Kings's Court for 2 nights. Easy check-in and check-out, super spacious and super clean. Staff are very accommodating, especially Mr. Kurlov, such a positive aura/energy every time we see him. He's so nice. The place is close to everything. Highly recommend. 10/10, Hong Kong emoji, Philippines emoji. Great location. The hotel is situated in a very good location, close to the old town. Great stay, super location. I had a great stay at the hotel. The service was super good. The room was surprisingly well equipped and delivered 5-star amenities. The front desk was super helpful and kind. The city center was a short walk and there was a Christmas market right our front. Definitely would recommend. Amazing, cannot wait to return. We'll stay here again. The best location. The best breakfast. Great spa. I was solo traveling for the first time and immediately felt at home with this staff. They were beyond accommodating, super helpful, and kind. The breakfast is unbelievable for the price. We'll stay here when I come back. Exceptional, fabulous place, very modern, hot tub and suite, awesome breakfast. Highly recommended.